guys, just wanted to make a quick video about Ethereum today. I'm Alex Crypto, this is Alex Crypto TV. Check out the website alexcrypto.com for the latest news and updates and cryptocurrency videos and resources. Anyways, the reason why I wanted to talk to you about Ethereum is because last time I made an Ethereum prediction. I did it over on TradingView, and this was before my YouTube days. So basically what I expected to happen with Ethereum was I expected it to bounce around in this 50% fib zone. Once it loads, you'll see. So basically I expected it to kind of bounce around in this zone here for 2, 3, 4 days maybe, and then continue its retracement downward. And what ended up happening was basically exactly what I said. It came down to the 50% zone, kind of bounced around, and then kind of like dropped out. So nothing unusual, basically what I expected to happen happened. So let's take a look at what's about to happen next. So here we're looking at the daily chart. So we see a complete Ethereum chart basically here. So we see the run up to $1,439.45, and then it began its retracement. So the retracement would be the ABC correction wave, I suppose. So here's the A leg, then the B, and then we're now finishing the C. So there it is. Or could we be done with the C now? Could it be like that? Anything's possible. Let's take a closer zoom to see exactly what's going on here. Let's switch from the daily to the hourly here. Okay. And let's zoom in a little bit. So we see we're beginning to take a few bars up. So basically this was the original prediction zone. I said that it's gonna rock along this 50% channel, and that's where it dropped out. So let's remove these old arrows. Okay, so where are we at now? We see that we've retraced 87.6% on the subwave, and on the all-time we've retraced 78.6%, which is not really the optimal distance. The optimal distance to retrace is about 87%, at least with my scales. This is how I measure things, and I've noticed that with certain algo patterns like the one trading here on Binance and Ethereum, and probably across most exchanges because they're probably using the same algos, and I noticed the retracement usually goes down to about this level, 87.6%. So what's gonna happen? So we've reached this 87.6% here on the subwave. So we've came down from the top, we've touched this, and now we're gonna retrace to this 15.3% mark. So, and that may take a couple of days, and we may bounce around this line, and then bounce around, and then come back down, and bounce around the 61.8 and the 33. And what usually happens after the 15.3 is it'll come down like this. Let me show you. It'll come down like this to about the 70, and then go back up to the 33, and then back down to the 50, and blah blah blah, bounce around, come back down to the 61.8. It's because, don't forget, these are Fibonacci fractals. It's a fractal pattern, so this wave will come up and retrace 87.6%, and then this wave will retrace 87.6% up, then 87.6% back down, and it keeps repeating this pattern until it runs out of Fibonacci breakdowns, and then it explodes up or down depending on the momentum and what the market is doing. So for now, I've put in a position at about the $468 level, and I'm going to ride that biatch all the way up here to about the $570 level, at which point I'll probably sell, and I'll wait for the retracement to finish, going down even lower to about this $344 level. Now that may not happen. You'll have to watch this graph carefully. Potentially this could be over now. There's nothing that says that it can't start its retracement back up from the 78.6% level. So definitely be interesting to watch, but for now I expect it to to ride this all the way up here to about the $570 mark. It's not too late to put in a position. Obviously this is still the first wave, so you could wait for a small retracement down here, like on these waves here, and you could wait for a retracement, you could wait for it to come down, 87.6% to about here, the $470 level, put in a position and continue riding it with me all the way up. Now just remember, this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational / entertainment / research / experimental purposes only. I'm Alex Crypto. Check out alexcrypto.com or check me out on Twitter, Alex Crypto TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video, guys.